Hey everyone, it's John. It's May 21st. I hope I capture this because there's a plane up here flying with something right beside it. It's leaving a. There's the plane, but there's another object right beside it. I could see it, but yeah, I could see it with my eyes, but I don't know if it's picking up on the phone. But there's another object right beside it, leaving no trail of any kind. May 21st, Harold Camping Day. But that thing there leaving the trail, there's something right beside it. There was something literally right beside it. And now there's another one. Let's go. I gotta look at this. Shoot. Oh man, I got this in the way. Where's it at? There it is. But there's something flying right beside it, leaving no trail of any kind. I mean, that is one heavy-duty trail. There's something flying beside it. I don't think my phone's picking it up. I can see it with my eyes. I mean, that trail is insane. But there was something flying right beside it, leaving no trail or anything. Let's zoom back. I mean, look at that trail. Right alongside other trails. And then you can see out through there, that stuff was from trails. Alright everyone, it's May 21st, or as I call it, Harold Camping Day. Peace, love, joy, and kindness to you all.